Hi, and thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I am going to show you my version of a Chicken Chili Verde Burrito. I like the burrito surrounded by the sauce, and plenty of cheese on top. I assemble my burritos, using my homemade flour tortillas and chicken chili verde. The tomatoes in the verde are from my husband's garden. You can watch both the verde and tortilla recipes on my channel, this meal this time. I will assemble 3 large burritos. I spray my rectangular, 2-quart, glass baking dish with vegetable oil. I will trim my flour tortillas to ensure they are similar in shape for wrapping the fillings. The trimmings will not go to waste. I will toast them for dipping into salsa or queso dip. I will attempt to make my own salsa or queso at some point on my channel. I spoon on the verde, being generous with this. You can see the grilled chicken, corn, peppers, onions, beans, garlic, and tomatoes. Then handfuls of the cheeses, my favorite part. I will carefully wrap the ingredients into the tortilla, and place the burrito into the glass baking dish. My flour tortillas are not flabby. When I cook them in the skillet, I do not grease the skillet. I want them to hold up in the verde while they are baking. The store-bought ones, in my opinion, are too soft and moist, and come out gummy in texture. Again, this is my opinion. You can certainly use a store-bought product, and heat them in a dry skillet. But, I assure you, that when you watch my video, seeing how easy these tortillas are to make, you may rather want to make your own. One more thought, most of the packages of store-bought tortillas contain way too many for me to make fresh for my meals. I have tried freezing the remaining tortillas for later use, but find that when they defrost, they are dried out. This is just my opinion and experience with these products. I have wrapped up 3 large burritos. I will now top them with the remaining chicken chili verde and then, of course, more cheese. I make sure the burritos are surrounded with this delicious chicken and vegetables verde. I can't wait to take a peek while this dish is baking, to see those bubbles bubbling up and around the burritos. That is when I know that the burritos are cooking through, to be nice and hot and cheesy. There. That looks just fine. The burritos are ready for the cheese. I am just about ready to place this baking dish into a 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes. Wonderful! There you have it. Dinner is going to be excellent tonight. As you can see, I topped the baking dish with some parchment paper so the cheese would not burn. This looks great. Hot and cheesy. Using a spatula I will serve one and put it on this plate and head over to the table to enjoy this meal. This is a huge serving. You can always make your burritos smaller, but what the heck? I love all of these ingredients. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please watch the videos showing how I made the flour tortilla and chicken chili verde. See you next time.